Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a to the power of 4 divided by a plus a plus a is equals to 9, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So we need to find all the roots of this equation. For this we move toward the solution of this problem. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And the very first thing we are going to do is, first you see in the denominator we have a is added by 3 times. We write it as a to the power of 4 divided by 3 times of a is equals to 9. And further you see here this 3a is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 9, and it will be written as a to the power of 4 is equals to 9 multiplied by 3a. So you know that 9 times 3 becomes here 27a, and in the left hand side we have a to the power of 4. So we move the term 27a from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes minus 27a, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve a, so that we will be take common a from here, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get a cubed minus 27, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a cubed minus 27 is equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here you see that this is cubic equation. So we have this is a cubed minus 27, and we write this 27 as 3 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we use here the nice cubic formula to solve this cubic equation. And you know about that, if we have x cubed minus y cubed equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this, you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y, and here we just substitute the values of x and y into the below formula. After substituting these two values here, it will be written as a minus 3 times of a square plus a times of 3 and plus 3 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write a minus 3 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write a square plus 3a plus this 3 square becomes 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of a is equals to 3. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we need to solve this quadratic equation in order to find all the other roots of the given equation. So you see that this is quadratic equation, and here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. So for this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to 9. And we state the quadratic formula as a equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c, and this will be written as a is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is 3, becomes minus 3 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 9, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. So further we need more simplifications, and it will be written as a is equals to minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 square becomes 9, minus this is 4 times of 9 divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. So further in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here inside the square root sign we have 9 be the common value. So when you take common 9 from here, we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And in the next step we have, this is minus 3 plus minus. Here we apply square root separately on both of these two values, and we will get here, this is square root of 9, and square root of 9 becomes 3 times of square root of 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. Further, you again focus inside the square root sign, and we have, this is minus 3 plus minus 3 times. You know about that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so this will becomes here iota, and it is divided by 2. So finally we have, these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. And finally we have the solution set of the given question are, there are four roots of the given equation, in which two roots are real roots, and these roots are 0 and 3, and two roots are complex roots, and these are minus 3 plus minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the total four roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.